Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of Spikeball Mini Tabletop Review. Make sure to watch till the end of the video to know our final verdict if this tabletop is worth it. Spikeball Mini Tabletop Overview. Spikeball Mini Tabletop is a combination of volleyball and 4 square elements. It comes with a sturdy tabletop spikeball base, net, a ball pump, and easy-to-follow instructions. The objective of the game is to outmaneuver your opponents and return incoming balls within 3 touches, and whoever misses loses. Just like volleyball, in Spikeball Mini Tabletop, you can move 360 degrees around the game platform to get to the ball. Even though the instructions allow you to hit the ball when it bounces off the walls, take caution of the fragile objects near you. What we liked: it is portable, it is an active gameplay, it fosters teamwork among players. What we didn't like: needs enough space to move around, needs a lot of practice to master. Features: portability. It comes with a small net, a convenient bag, and a lightweight frame that can be dismantled into smaller parts for easy storage. Due to its compact nature, Spikeball adapts to all types of environments, whether indoors or outdoors, allowing you to play at your place of preference. Long-term durability. The game is made of sturdy materials that enable it to withstand regular use. The net is well stitched and reinforced, enabling it to withstand intense rallies during play. Moreover, its frame is made of a resilient material which enables it to withstand repeated setups and takedowns, thus maintaining its state. User-friendliness. Its setup process is easy for anyone to use. The game has a non-slip base that won't scratch your game table, making it convenient. The best part about it is that it has a quick learning curve due to its straightforward instructions that make it beginner-friendly. Who is the Spikeball Mini Tabletop best suited for? The game is suited for players of all ages who enjoy active, fast-paced games. Verdict: should you get the Spikeball Mini Tabletop? Even though its instructions are straightforward, mastering the game techniques takes practice and skill, which may be challenging for beginners. Its pricing is relatively higher compared to other tabletops, therefore you may prefer choosing other cheaper tabletops to fit your budget. What gives the Spikeball Mini Tabletop an edge over the rest is its teamwork incorporation and fast-paced nature. Therefore, you should buy the Spikeball Mini Tabletop to have fun with friends and family. Thanks for watching.